anytime that I have chest pain, it has to deal with I'm not trusting what I know. I'm not trusting like this deep inner knowing. So anytime if you're feeling chest pain, it's more than likely you're not trusting your heart. And your heart knows. Your heart can never lie to you, you know? So the way we're going to finish it off is to trust our heart, right? You came here with a heartbeat. You got to trust your heart. So every breath, let's trust it. So both hands on your heart. Drop your shoulders. Like if you're like this normally, drop your shoulders. Give your heart time. Give your heart space. Ooh, what we're going to do as we exhale, I want you to imagine this like tube that's opening up. It's expanding out. It's like a microphone. Everybody in the world can see it. Everybody in the world can feel it. What you're going to do as you exhale, you're going to say, Voo. And no matter where you feel it, if you feel it out your throat, if you feel it out your heart, I want you to emphasize expanding it outwardly. Okay, so let's do 9 of these all together. And that's our breath work for today. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for sharing all of your experiences and all your breath. So let's do it. Drop those shoulders, stand up, sit up nice and tall, hands on your heart. Breathe in. Voo. Again. Voo. Voo. Keep going. We got 5 amazing breaths. Out your heart. Voo. 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 Best 3. Stand up tall. Voo. Best 2. Voo. Best 1. Voo. Give yourself a hug. Tell yourself, I love you. Thank you. I'm safe in this body. I'm safe with this breath. I create space and I release. Express your heart. Liberate yourself, right? Liberate yourselves from the past feelings, the past experiences, the past perceptions. Just create liberation. I really appreciate your time, your breath, your essence. Remember, most important thing is your breath is your power. So remember how powerful your breath is. It's waiting for you. It's just waiting for you. And that's all. That's it. If you want more, follow me at Breath Messiah.